Everyone!
What is it, Dr. Mario?
Yeah, what is it, Doctor? There was a distress signal from the radio. There's 2 survivors out in the valley forest. Find them.
Oh, chili dogs, we need to save them before any more deaths happen.
Zelda, Link, and Sonic, go out and find the survivors. We need to raise our people.
On it, Doctor.
Here we are. Looks creepy. Alright, let's save the survivors.
Thanks for saving us.
Crap! Infected!
I'll kill them. They're bigger. We can't overpower them.
Isabel, don't! Run! Run! Please, save yourself.
We're so sorry. Thank you for everything, Isabel.
I am a hero.